Okay, so despite someone fucking up my car today and just leaving, I'm gonna try to not make it ruin my day. So I'm gonna continue my adventure with the NFC tag in my 3D printer, and today, or this weekend, I made this thing. Supposed to look like me from the side. What do you think? Look like me? Yeah, it does. So what this is of course a keychain, but inside this, the NFT tag, that can show you all my social media. So it's like a great conversation starter. People gonna see it, they're gonna ask what is this, and then you're gonna bloop. So in my case, I made a link for my bio link so they have all access to all my social media and then can see everything that I've made. And honestly, it's just a fun little project. The quality came out really nice actually. I'm very impressed with the multicolor. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.